Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset option, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for. Here, as you can see, your device is informing you that it will reset basically everything, including the network settings, fingerprints, face recognition, and lock screen. So if you already tap on Reset all settings, of course you will have to confirm it with the pattern pin or password, whatever. And here we've got the information that sometimes your device may need to be restarted. So no worries if it will be turned off. And what is more, this action cannot be undone. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset all settings, and right now we have to wait until our device will reset everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.